After being locked up in our homes for so long, my buddy Aiden and I decided it was time to get away. We hopped in my car and drove 5 hours up to his lake house in New Hampshire.
Where are we going?
We're going to Spofford, New Hampshire.
The first day consisted almost of all driving. Unfortunately, I'm the only one who knows how to operate a manual transmission, and also, I'm the only one who knows how to operate a camera. So our shots were definitely limited the first day. The next morning we woke up bright and early, we did our morning devotionals, and attempted to make some breakfast.
She's a beauty.
Soon after breakfast, we walked out to Aiden's dock.
We see a fish. We don't have a fishing pole that works, but this thing's a monster. So we're gonna try our best to use a broken fishing pole and a net to get this John.
Unfortunately, the netting method did not work out, so Aiden and I went to Walmart to get some poles. We spent the rest of the evening relaxing by the lake, fishing.
How's it going?
It's going. You know, we caught 2 fish on the day, but that's 2 more than 0, am I right?
Very right.
But it's been a beautiful day here at Spofford. Lots of unplanned events happened, but it made the day for quite the adventure, and I wouldn't have wanted it any other way.
We managed to catch a couple, but not the one we set out for. As the sun was going down, we drove over to the beach to watch a stunning New Hampshire sunset.
Exactly.
Go ahead.
It's gonna be good, guys. Don't worry.
You put the cheese in yet?
Cheers, mate.
Holy smokes, Mr. Jones. That's hot.
Jeez.
Kansi andi twadi sa teto kulandai andi beto baki sayum bote paimbai paimbai sukan takusa banayan tampi takbayan bansuyo beto gibila gilumbu beto nambu beto baki sayum bote paimbai awam kukumono satana sekan zambi Deto kelen tantu sambu masumu Detu yitu kainki na yonso kele quiza Detu bakisa
First try. Yes. First try, baby.
Bye-bye, bunso katak bisa Banayan sambil takut naglasulyo Betuin bilang ilunggo betong namdo Beto pakisayong bote bayimbay Beto pakisayong bote bayimbay
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around this late in the video. I really appreciate it if you could just remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot and I appreciate it so much. Let me know what type of content you guys like seeing from me. Obviously this was a travel video and I've done other things, like recently I built something, I've done a review. So comment what type of content you like most and I'll go out and produce that. And if you notice, I've been producing content more consistently. I'm trying to do once a week. That could go more now as we see how things go. But thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Peace.